guys, so today mag-open kita ng Pokemon Kiddie Meal sa Jollibee. Okay, let's open the first one, guys. Where to open this? Here. Didn't open it very properly. Oh no. It's okay. There, my mom opened it. Let's see what it is. Is it a great ball or a normal Pokemon? Let's see. I'm excited. There's a oh, here it is. There. Let's see if it's a Pokeball. Okay. Let's see what it is, guys. Let's open it. Riolu. Okay. That's okay. It's a Riolu. Next one. So yeah, this is the second one, and I have 4 boxes. It's now only 3, and when I open this one, it's gonna be 2. Let's do this. Let's do this. Is it a great ball or not? Let's see. Oops, did it not open properly, or did I? Wait, let me just get the scissor for a sec, guys. I got the scissor. Let's open it. Ooh, is it a great ball or not? Let's see. Oh, it's only a Pokeball. Let's open it. A Pichu! Nice. And it's already open. Guys, here's the Pichu. And the Lucario earlier. Let's open it. Here it is. The Riolu. Here it is, guys. Next one is this. I wonder if it's a great ball or not. But it's still okay if it's even a Pokeball. Let's open it. Still a Pokeball. A Vulpix. Nice. I got one more and then I'm done. Okay, so we got a Vulpix. And its evolution is Ninetales. Let's do this. One last box. Ooh, okay. Wait. Please be a great ball. I want this to be a great ball. I want an adult version of a Pokeball. I mean a Pokemon. Oh, still a Pokeball. So, wow, it's the before version of Snorlax, which is, I forgot his name. His name is Munchlax, which is cool. Let's open it. Here it is, guys. And that was all the boxes. Here, we got Vulpix, Munchlax, Pichu, and last but not least, Riolu. That was all, guys. See ya next video. Bye-bye.